Hello everybody and welcome back to the brand new show of Henry Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will tell you the different types of courses we offer for you. Today in frame we have Sunny with us, who is going to tell us about the marketing analytics with our course. So hi Sunny, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also great, thank you. So tell us about this course or brief us what exactly this course is.
Okay, so basically marketing analytics with ARC is a course wherein you learn about the analysis of a marketing data of a company or organization.
Okay.
In this course, you'll be using the R language to do the analysis.
Okay, that's great. So tell us about the eligibility criteria, or what are the boundaries, or is there any boundaries or any particular stream that a person can do this course for?
Okay, so very good thing about this course is that it is not limited to a domain or any branch.
Okay.
A person with any kind of background can enroll in this course and they can learn the concepts.
Okay, so is there any preferred domain?
No, if you're from the marketing background, it gives you the edge. Otherwise, you don't have to be a domain specific person.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
So this course is open for all. Anybody who is interested in this course can opt for this.
If they are planning to make a career into the analytics domain,
That's
then
great.
for them it is one of the best course nowadays.
Brilliant. So tell us about the duration of this course.
So at Henry Harvin, the duration of this program is 32 hours,
Okay.
wherein you understand all the concepts about marketing analytics
Okay.
using the R language.
That's great. So Sunny, tell us about the job profiles and job opportunities that opens up after completion of course.
So upon completion of this course, you get to enter into the analytics domain, wherein you can become a marketing analytics specialist. You can become a trainer of marketing analytics, or you can become a data scientist into a specialization of marketing.
That's
so these
great.
kind of position will open up for all the students.
A lot of opportunities.
Yes.
That's great. So tell us why a student should come to Henry Harvin, or what is that one USP, one highlight point of Henry Harvin that brings, or that a person should come and enroll for the course.
Okay, so at present there are multiple reasons to join into a Henry Harvin course, but the major USP of Henry Harvin is a batch repetition option.
Okay.
Because when a student joins the analytic profile, they are entering into a new domain.
Sure.
For that, Henry Harvin provides the student with a 1-year gold membership, in which they get to attend the training, live training multiple times. So within 1 year, all these students can join their new batches with different kind of trainers, and they can understand the concepts in a proper manner. So that
Okay.
gives them the option to understand the concepts and learn the course into a proper detail.
That's great. That's great. So tell us about the accreditations and affiliation that Henry Harvin has.
Okay, so for the accreditations, Henry Harvin has been affiliated from UCAF, UKCert, MSME. These are the domestic Indian affiliations. Talking about
Okay.
international, we are affiliated from Dun & Bradstreet, American Association of EFL, UCAF and UKCert. So these affiliations will be visible on the certificate also.
Okay, so international affiliation, national affiliation, badge reputations, and a lot of things that actually can attract the other student
Yes.
to come and enroll for the course. That's great. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sunny, for coming. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Henry Harvin. Thank you.